Currently, we're in UNC campus. And over the last 3 years, every time I've driven past here, I've noticed that a lot of students use mobile transportation. I've seen skateboards, bicycles, electric skateboards, e-bikes, electric scooters, and even scooters. And in today's video, we're gonna go around the campus of UNC, find someone who needs a scooter to get to and from class, and give it away. I have the NV Prodigy S9 for today's giveaway. Some good height bars, perfect for any student. Good foot space for anybody trying to get around from class to class. Excuse the dirt on the wheels. I'm actually using this scooter to roll around to find the right student. And I'm not gonna make it easy on the students. I only have one scooter to give away, so they're gonna have to pass a test. First person to name 5 tricks wins this scooter. Ideally, it would be nice to find someone that can use the scooter. Maybe we'll check the e-scooter or e-bike docking locations first. Sorry to interrupt. I'm filming a fun video on campus, and I'm giving a scooter away. So I'm trying to find someone who can use a scooter. Do you know anyone that would want one?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah? One person out of the group. And it's just like a trivia. You don't have to do anything.
It's just a trivia?
Yeah, it's just a question. And if you answer the question, then you get the scooter.
Someone has to do it.
I don't think anyone is prepared for the question, so it's fair. It was instinct. You just like, I could use it. First shot. Right? Don't be shy. If you're shy, don't be shy. You're the first group that I asked. If you get it, then it's a quick video.
Okay.
If not, we're gonna be here all day. Who's down? Okay.
Yay.
All right, what's your name?
I'm Sarah.
Sarah, nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you. Sorry, wrong hand.
All good, all good. Can you name 5 tricks?
Oh. Scooter tricks?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
A wheelie.
Okay, that's one. That's one.
A 360.
Okay, that's 2. This is fast. You're doing good.
I'm thinking of skateboard tricks. Jump.
You're like halfway there. There's a technical name for it. There's like a few different ones.
Object jump. Jump on a ramp.
Oh, the first 2 were actual names. It was good.
Like a hop, like when you're like hopping on like one wheel. I feel like that's one. I don't think I know.
Do you give up?
I think I give up.
You sure?
I think I give up. I think I admit defeat.
All right. Well, thank you for trying.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you.
Sorry to interrupt the singing.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can I ask you guys a question? I'm filming a video on campus and I'm giving a scooter away to someone who could use it. Would you be down?
Okay.
So it only has to be one of you from the groups. Whoever thinks is the smartest.
Can we hear the question first?
Sure. Okay, so
okay.
so the question is you have to name 5 tricks.
Can we just describe them instead?
You need the names. And you can't work together. So whoever comes up, they got to be on their own. I notice a lot of people cruise around on bikes, electric scooters, so I figured maybe someone on campus could use this to get around. Would you want to volunteer for this?
Yeah.
I'll volunteer.
Okay, so if you can name 5 tricks.
Wheelie for one.
Okay, that's one.
Tray flip.
Okay, that's a skateboard
Yeah.
trick.
Front slide.
That's like half the name of a lot of different tricks.
I know.
So you're close.
Do we count flips? Front flip. Is
Front flip, yeah, that's 2.
Okay. Back flip.
That's 3.
Nollie. That's the skateboard.
Technically, that's done on a scooter too, so that's 4.
One more.
Is it hop?
Close. One more.
Hop. Bunny hop.
Bunny hop.
For real? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wait.
Wow.
Let's go run on it. Gotta go. Oh my god. Go. Go on it. Oh my god, we should. Can we give it to
Tell me
Rocky
your
for
name.
his birthday?
Austin.
Austin. Nice to meet you, Austin. Congratulations. Enjoy your scooter. And just like that, we found the winner. Maybe 5 tricks was too easy. Next time we're doing 10. Since that happened really fast, we're getting out of UNC campus and getting to the next spot. The only issue now is I have to walk there. Shout out to Purple Bowl, the best acai bowls hands down. If you're in Chapel Hill, you wanted the perfect lunch. Instagram here, everybody there is awesome. The acai bowls are heaven. And thanks for all the gear. Now, let's head to the spot. The last time I was here, this tennis court was red and it was all beat up. Now, the whole thing is smooth and redone. Don't worry, I'm not gonna scratch the floor. We're gonna try to get 5 tricks just because the sun's going down. It is 20 degrees and it is very hard to ride in 20 degrees. And before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be going around to different locations, giving scooters away in these videos as well. So if you're a subscriber and you're watching these videos daily, you never know, it could be you. And if you're enjoying this video so far, that's another reason for you to click subscribe. Let's get these 5 tricks before we finish the day. told you I'm busting my chops right now and I'm not even warming up. It's even hard to speak. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to click subscribe. We'll be getting more sessions like these, obviously, but I'm going to make sure we include either giveaways like this or other activities in every single video from now on. We're gonna mix it up, change it up, and have fun while doing so. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.